Welcome to our exploration of green hydrogen's pivotal role in decarbonizing semiconductor manufacturing. As we delve into this topic, we'll uncover how energy-intensive fabs, clean process heat, and supply chain pressures are driving the need for sustainable solutions. Semiconductor fabrication facilities are among the most energy-intensive industrial sites on the planet. Consuming between 50 to 100 megawatts, each advanced fab's power usage is comparable to that of a small city, highlighting the urgent need for energy efficiency. The energy required to produce a single 300mm silicon wafer ranges from 1,400 to 2,000 kilowatt-hours. This is equivalent to the monthly electricity consumption of an average household, underscoring the significant energy demands of semiconductor manufacturing. The semiconductor industry accounts for 1.5% of global electricity usage, a figure projected to double by 2030 if no interventions are made. This growth is driven by advancements in AI, electric vehicles, and renewable energy systems, necessitating urgent action to curb energy consumption. Major chip manufacturers are pledging to achieve net zero emissions by 2030, responding to customer demands for carbon-neutral components. With billion-dollar contracts at stake, companies like Apple, Microsoft, and Google are scrutinizing their supply chains to meet these ambitious targets. Hydrogen is already integral to semiconductor manufacturing processes, including silicon crystal growth, chemical vapor deposition, and carrier gas applications in etching and cleaning. Its role in reduction reactions in metal processing further emphasizes its importance in the industry. Achieving ultra-high purity hydrogen, at a level of 99.9999%, is essential for semiconductor manufacturing. Any contamination can ruin entire wafer batches, making this stringent purity requirement critical for maintaining quality and efficiency in production. While gray hydrogen is derived from fossil fuels with a high carbon footprint, green hydrogen is produced through renewable energy electrolysis, offering zero emissions. Despite having the same chemical properties, green hydrogen provides a vastly different environmental impact, achieving ultra-high purity more reliably. Green hydrogen can effectively decarbonize various thermal processes in semiconductor manufacturing, such as wafer annealing, chemical vapor deposition heating, and cleanroom temperature control. Its application ensures zero emissions combustion or fuel cell heat, promoting sustainability. The semiconductor industry is willing to pay a premium for ultra-pure materials, where precision and reliability outweigh cost concerns. As green hydrogen becomes more viable, its cost premium may be justified by the industry's demand for high-quality production facilities. Localized production of green hydrogen near manufacturing facilities reduces dependence on long-distance transport, aligning with supply chain regionalization trends. This approach supports initiatives like the CHIPS Act and reshoring, enhancing supply chain resilience. Integrating green hydrogen into semiconductor fabs requires retrofitting existing facilities with new storage and distribution systems. Designing new facilities with green hydrogen integration from the ground up, along with specialized safety systems, ensures continuous ultra-reliable supply to prevent production disruptions. Maintaining ultra-reliable supply with purity throughout the distribution chain is crucial. Specialized storage solutions prevent contamination, while cryogenic liquid systems cater to large facilities with high volume requirements. Advanced compression and purification systems uphold the 6 nines quality standard. The convergence of massive new fab construction, rapidly declining renewable energy costs, and advancing electrolyzer technology presents a perfect timing for integrating green hydrogen from the design phase, ensuring future sustainability and efficiency. Global policy tailwinds are propelling hydrogen initiatives forward. The US offers hydrogen tax credits through the Inflation Reduction Act, while the EU and Asia provide industrial decarbonization incentives and strategic hydrogen promotion, respectively, improving the economic landscape for green hydrogen adoption. The integration of green hydrogen into semiconductor manufacturing faces challenges due to extremely tight manufacturing tolerances. Comprehensive qualification and validation procedures, lasting months, are necessary to ensure production processes meet critical standards. Switching to green hydrogen necessitates comprehensive testing, including product quality maintenance verification, yield rate impact assessment, contamination risk evaluation, and process stability validation. These steps ensure a smooth transition and maintain production integrity. Adopting green hydrogen offers first-mover benefits, such as improved environmental profile and brand value, enhanced supply chain resilience, and potentially lower long-term energy costs. Companies gain a competitive edge in ESG-focused markets through cost optimization and strategic positioning. The semiconductor industry's characteristics, such as high profit margins and technical sophistication, favor the adoption of green hydrogen. Long-term contracts justify infrastructure investment, enabling complex solutions that prioritize quality over pure cost optimization. The broader hydrogen economy benefits from validating green hydrogen for high-value applications, driving electrolyzer technology advancement, and demonstrating commercial viability at scale. This creates a demand anchor for hydrogen infrastructure, supporting sustainable growth. Technology maturity is crucial for the successful implementation of new solutions. Electrolysis technology is commercially proven, purification systems are well established, and storage solutions are both available and scalable. Integration expertise is developing rapidly, indicating a promising future for technology readiness. The cost curve for green hydrogen is on a decline, driven by rapid advancements in electrolyzer manufacturing and renewable energy cost reductions. Policy incentives are bridging the current cost gap, making green hydrogen more economically viable over time. Geographic opportunities are abundant for co-locating fabs with renewable resources. Leveraging regional policy incentives can reduce energy transmission losses and build robust regional hydrogen ecosystems, paving the way for sustainable growth. Safety and risk management are paramount in hydrogen technology. The industry is well versed in hydrogen safety, with established protocols, specialized materials handling, and continuous monitoring systems ensuring leak detection and risk mitigation. Capital investment is essential for scaling hydrogen technology. On-site electrolyzer installations require 40% of total investment, while storage and distribution systems need 30%. Purification equipment and safety infrastructure also demand significant investment, ensuring comprehensive development. Exploring business model options can optimize hydrogen technology deployment. Direct ownership offers control, while long-term supply agreements reduce investment risk. Joint ventures and hub-based shared infrastructure provide opportunities for collaboration and economies of scale. The implementation timeline outlines the roadmap for hydrogen technology adoption. Starting with pilot projects in 2024 to 2025, early adoption follows, leading to mainstream integration by 2028 to 2030, and achieving industry standard beyond 2030. The industry leadership race is heating up with TSMC, Samsung, and Intel leading the charge. TSMC is exploring renewable energy partnerships, Samsung is investing in clean technology, and Intel is committed to net zero operations, setting industry standards and gaining competitive advantage. The path forward for green hydrogen in semiconductor manufacturing is clear. It represents technological leadership with environmental responsibility, supply chain resilience, cost optimization, and a sustainable production pathway for the future. Ready to analyze your project? Dive into feasibility studies, co-modeling, and bankable hydrogen project analysis with the H2 Hub platform, where honest economics replace hype.